Now, installation is super simple. All you need is a 10mm and a flathead thingamabobber. The silver shroud that you see that's gonna go under the APR shield, I'm actually gonna take that off later on. I just don't know when, but I just don't feel like taking the bumper off right now. Might do a giveaway on that, so stay tuned. Cool engine bay aesthetic mod that anyone can do, and it's super duper easy to install. This is from APR Performance. Not sure if I mentioned that already. This actually came off of Paul's car in his silver WRX, who no longer has his car. More details on that later, but there you go. Oh, also one thing I forgot to mention, this actually is supposed to work with your factory air snorkel, which I no longer have. So if you have your factory air snorkel and your factory air box, you shouldn't have any issues. But anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. Nice short video for you guys today, and peace out, guys.